In this video, I will teach you how to turn on two-factor authentication requirement in Meta Business Manager. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the Meta Business Manager website on your browser. It will help you maintain control, security, and privacy of your Facebook and Instagram assets. So if you don't have a Meta Business account yet, you can create an account by clicking on the Start Now and sign up using your Facebook profile. But if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in by clicking on this icon. After logging in, you will automatically redirected to the home page of this website. So you just have to look on the top left sidebar right here and then scroll down until you see settings. You just have to click on that. And once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down to the very end until you see Business Manager. Just have to click on that and it will automatically redirect you to the Business Manager settings. You just have to click on that and wait for it to load. So this is where you manage security settings for your entire business account. So once inside the business setting, you just have to scroll down on the left hand panel and then look for Security Center. Just have to click on that, and this is where you can manage login security and authentication settings. In the Security Center, you'll see a section called Two-Factor Authentication. Now you can edit this by clicking on this Who's required to turn on two-factor authentication and click on that. Now you just have to select everyone or admins only right here depending on who you want to require two-factor authentication for. Let's say right here. You can also review people's access to your account. And after enabling the requirement, anyone affected will need to set up two-factor authentication on their Facebook account using the settings and privacy, security, and login section. You can make sure your team members are aware and have enabled it, or otherwise, they won't be able to access Business Manager. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.